Welcome to 3352 2nd Street East in West Fargo. We are located in the premier Shadow Creek neighborhood, and this Ashmore by Heritage Homes has so much to offer, you have to check it out. This Ashmore, built by Heritage Homes in 2013, has a ton of additional square footage added. They elongated the kitchen in this home and added square footage to the dining room, which allows for the personal gym downstairs. They added to the island as well as the kitchen counter upstairs. The pantry is completely custom as well as the exhaust hood. They have also added 2 maintenance-free decks, one off of the dining room and one off of the primary suite. 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with an additional office, a gym, and a den. None of those are counted as the bedrooms. There's so much living area here. With all of the additional windows in this home and the double volume ceilings on the main and second floor, the bright and airy vibe to this home cannot be beat. Offered at $690,000 with only $26,000 left in specials in this area, a home of this magnitude does not come around often. Contact me for your own private tour. I would love to show it to you in person.